Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's free video, we're going to start off by looking at Apple and a way of thinking of markets where I believe you can almost get price action down into two ways of thinking, and that is to say, are we one time framing or are we working a reversion to the mean? And when Apple showed up on Wednesday, this really sets the tone for the potential of one time framing. That is to say that it has an excellent day, right? Towards the upper end of its general daily range, closes in the upper third of its range, very strong day all around. And then what you look to the next day is to see that it can stay inside that range and look at making a higher high and a higher low. So far, that has been successful. And the pattern that I want to carry into tomorrow acknowledges that if the one time framing breaks and we get below today's low, well, then the bullish stance is off and the market may be a little bit more messy. But if we look down into something like a 15-minute chart, we can see a pattern is still generally constructive, or at least has bullish arguments to be made. Right? Comparisons of previous declines and the decline that you saw today are all very similar. And then you move into a 15-minute squeeze that can help you with trend continuation. So if Apple can open up tomorrow above 166, it actually sets the stage for higher prices. I'll say again, action below 164.5, give or take. I'm probably going to have to step back from this idea and it may not give me a trade opportunity. But if that does hold, I believe it will coincide with a plan that sees the NASDAQ into about 460. So looking at the low that was made today during the cash session, using the high that was made overnight to run my fib extensions, I like the idea that this is still a pattern of higher highs and higher lows, and that index is set to move into the extension up there at 13,460. So similar to Apple, if we get the employment data, we get this Tesla vote behind us, and we break these lows, well, then my current plan is going to be thrown off. I'll have to reset a little bit and see what the market is giving me. But if these patterns are still intact, I believe these will make for useful targets and may be helpful during your Friday trading. So, as always, I hope you find the review helpful. You guys have a great end to your week, and I hope to see you in the free videos next week. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.